Hi guys, welcome to my new apartment. I will give you a tour maybe this Friday because I still have a lot of boxes and I need to go tomorrow with my parents to get a bed frame and possibly a TV stand and maybe a table. So it's gonna take me a little while to settle everything in, but I can show you my yarn shelf that I already set up, of course. But today I'm gonna start my morning with some breakfast, some coffee and hash browns, and then I want to crochet something fun for 4th of July. But first, let's have a coffee.
Hey, does anybody want coffee? Who wants coffee? I just made a fresh pot of coffee. Does anybody want coffee? Who?
Awesome, so I got my coffee and my favorite creamer, Silk, dairy-free, sponsor me. Okay guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna have something fun. We're going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to try to create a 4th of July dress. So today is June 29th. Tomorrow is June 30th and then we have a few more days. So I did a little drawing, so I can't find my iPad pencil because I just moved and it's somewhere in the box, which is so sad because I really want it. So I drew it on my phone. So it's going to be similar to this. So I wanted to do white and red stripes. So we're gonna work, instead of going from bottom to the top, we're actually gonna work sideways. And then I'm gonna do a blue pocket in the middle with the white stars, kind of like representing the flag. And so I have with me my overalls, I think that's the name of it. So I'm literally gonna lay this on the ground and I'm gonna start working with my red and white yarn that I got from Michaels. I will leave a link below on my YouTube channel if you guys like to buy some yarn on Michaels. Make sure you use those coupons that they have on their website as well. So let's get started, and I'm gonna be using 3.25mm hook because I like my stitches to be tight, and I hope this turned out well. So let's see. Quick update. So I just realized the American flag stripes are actually horizontal. You know, they're not diagonal, which I already knew that. But so what I'm thinking, actually, why don't I do it horizontally, build it my way up? I think that would be even easier. And then we'll do the pocket with blue, and I think that would be look really good. Someone told me that stripes make you look fat, but let's see, will this American flag make me look fat? Stay tuned to find out. Okay, I have to tell you about the show I'm binge watching. I actually finished it when I finished the dress. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's called The Morning Show. They have a great cast. It's Jennifer Aniston, Reese Witherspoon, and Steve Carell. And that's just a few of the famous names that I named. The show was recommended by my mom, and I hope she's also watching it because we're going to talk about it during the 4th of July. It is on Apple TV, which kind of sucks, but I'm grateful to have a free hookup. But the gist of the show is it's a news reporting show, and the audience is taken behind the scene of the show. It kind of shows you what it's like to work at this big television network and all the nasty things that go behind the camera, such as harassment at the workplace, inappropriate behaviors. So I don't know if you guys remember, but on NBC News, specifically NBC Today show, one of the anchors, Matt Lauer, I don't know if I spelled his last name right or said it right, was accused of sexual assault by multiple women. And so I actually in live watched this happen, which is crazy to think about it. I remember watching the morning news when the other anchor announced what had happened, and this was like 6 a.m. in the morning. I see this guy on the morning show every day with the other anchor for so many years, and then one day this news breaks. It was just crazy. It was national news for sure. So I would say that the show does follow a little bit of that timeline, but I 100% recommend watching it. I can't wait for season 2 to be out, and I hope I didn't spoil anything, but definitely watch it, guys. It's really good. Okay, so I just want to do a really quick update. So I didn't show you how I started it because I first made 90 chain and then I was too big, so I went back to like 85. It was still big, so then I think I started with 75. But I'm just measuring this on the floor. I'm gonna show you. I'm just kind of like that. So I've been starting slowly and then decreasing, and I'm also writing it down in my phone, each row, so then we can do the same back row and then attach it together. So let's keep working the front, and then I'll show you how I did the back, which is the same way, and then hopefully it fits, which I think it will, and yeah, see how it turns out. But so far, American flag looking good.
2 very boring minutes later.
A real quick update. So this is how far I've gotten. So it'll be like this, probably lower than that. So it looks pretty good. I've been decreasing, not every row, but I'll let you know how many rows. I'll probably post it underneath the description or on the side. But right now I'm really craving some bread. So I'm actually gonna pause and go make some baguettes, which is gonna take forever. So I'll, you know, make the bread, the dough, and then let it sit. And then while it sits, I'll crochet and just kind of go back and forth. So let's do that and then we'll come back to this. Let's make some bread. So I got my scale and I'm watching a YouTube video of this guy named John Kirkwood, and he's making French baguettes. So we'll see. Hopefully it works out. Okay guys, look how good the bread looks. I split it already in 4 and now I'm going to do this. I'm gonna back you up. I'm gonna put, so the guy says use a cotton pillow sheet. So this is cotton pillow sheet for the baguette to separate them, or buy that really expensive thing that people use. So I'm gonna put that. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so fun. Oh, it looks so cool. Like, this is so satisfying. Let me get you guys. This is so satisfying. This is awesome. I finished the bread. It's pretty good. I'm making 2 more in the oven. Okay guys, a real quick update. Today is day 3. Yesterday I didn't get much work done because I went to IKEA and did some furniture. Bought some furniture and had to assemble some. But here's the front piece. So it's gonna be something like this. I'm gonna lower the camera a little bit so you can see the look of it. And then we're gonna put 2 straps in the front. I haven't decided if I wanna do 2 strings and then tie it on top, or yeah, do straps, so we'll see. So it looks like this so far. So it's perfect length. It's I like it, and it's red and white stripes. So now we're gonna make exactly the same piece for the back, and then we're gonna attach them starting at before the 4 decreases, and then we'll do the straps and then go from there with the pocket and see how it goes. Whoop! So I finished both sides, so now I'm gonna attach the sides, and if this does go well, will post every row how much I decrease and how many chains you have on the last page. I'll just make a black screen so you guys can kind of copy that if you want to make your own type of pattern, but here it is. Let's try to attach the sides and then see how it goes. So I just finished attaching one of the sides and then the other, and I changed my shirt because I'll probably be wearing a white shirt, and oh my gosh, the fit is perfect. I actually really like it. We still got a long way to go. We gotta make straps and then we gotta do ribbing on the side. I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with a white or red and then we'll do the pocket, but I love it. It's super comfy. I think it's perfect 4th of July dress. So let's keep going. Let's do the straps and then see how it goes. Hi guys, welcome back. Today is July 3rd and we have a few more hours to get things done because I still want to edit the video and post it for tomorrow morning, early, like 6 a.m. So yesterday I did the dress, the hard shell. So I'm going to show you guys. It looks awesome. I'm also going to try it on so you guys will see what it looks like. And so now we're making the blue pocket, kind of like a kangaroo pocket. So it's going to be a wide, big square, and then we're going to be able to put our phones in there, keys, even wallet if we want. So I'm going to start doing that. And I also yesterday, sorry I'm talking so fast, did the ribbing. I just went single crochet all around it. It is turning out really well, so I will post the measurements at the end of the videos. And let me show you what I did for the blue pocket so far. So I'm using this blue color. Let me get close to you guys. This blue color, And so now let's continue working on the pocket that's gonna go right here. Maybe like 20 rows, 25 rows, and then we'll attach it with our yarn needle. So let's keep going. Okay, so I end up doing 30 chains by 19 rows. And so now let's make some stars. So I will have to watch a YouTube video how to make stars, crochet them. But you can also go to Joann's. I know they sell stars buttons that are white, red, and blue, but I just need the white ones. So I'm gonna crochet white stars, not probably as many as the states on the flag, but as many as I could, and just, you know, put them on all the rows and fill this square up, and then we'll attach it. This would make it easier to attach stars now than doing it later when you already sew the pocket. So just wait before you sew it, do your thing, finish it, and then sew it. So let's keep going. Okay, this is the cutest thing ever. Look, so I made 2 stars already. So there's this one that's a little bit bigger, so, and they're really easy to make. And then there's this one that's a little bit smaller. And so, I don't know, I kind of like the bigger one because it won't take me too long to make it. But the small one's really cute too. Should I do both, I guess, small and big? Maybe I'll just do big. But they're so cute. I'm so excited. This is already turning out so well. So let's keep going. I'm gonna make a bunch of these. So I made my first mistake, number 1, and it's the stars. So if you look at the American flag, the second row should go between the 2 stars. So I'm gonna undo these and redo it, and so hopefully I have enough ends on the back to kind of snap it and have a long enough strand to reattach it, or I might have to remake it, which is fine. But yeah, let's keep going. So far it looks pretty good. Yay! So I just finished the star pocket. So it's a little bit slanted, but it's okay. I don't mind, it looks really cute. And so now let's attach this to our dress and then try it on and then see how it goes. Oh, really quick thing, I did leave a long strand of the blue yarn so I can use my yarn needle and just go around the sides and just leave the top by itself. And so yeah, let's do that. Hey guys, so I just finished the dress. I attached the pocket, I got my phone, look, it's my boyfriend's phone, check this out, my wallet. Perfect. And here's the fit. Stripes do kind of make me look bad, but it's okay. I'm embracing it because it's 4th of July and it's American flag. It's what you're supposed to be wearing. So it's perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video.